Hello dear friends all over the world. Today I have a very special surprise for you. I want to show you in step by step and try to explain with some details how to make an extreme extension in French style. And for that I choose one of my extreme shape from my collection, a shape that is called Vetor, and I really hope that you like it. My name is Oana Flutur, I am from Romania, and I am working in the field of nail industry for more than 12 years now. And I have been struggling to study and understand our field for more than 15 years. I have managed to gather in my portfolio for over 70 titles of national and international competitions around the world, crowning with the most important and the dearest title of my soul in my career, that of USA NAILPRO World Cup in 2020. I am the founder and the developer of the Nail Academy, Oana Flutur Nail Artist Academy, the developer of re-education programs in the field of nail artists from the beauty industry, and the certified author of a beautiful collection of extreme nail shapes called Haute Couture Nail Art. I am International Master Trainer, NAILPRO Gold International Trainer, and NAILPRO Competition Judge. This year I have the great honor to represent Europe at the NAILPRO Competition Asia 2021 Nailapalooza as a main judge. So I want to show you my extreme shape Vetor to inspire you for the FiveStyle Sculpture nomination of this competition. I hope that this extreme nail shape please you, inspire you, and stimulate you to overcome your competitive limits. So let's move on to the practical part. This is an inspiration from the pre-existing steel edge and arrow extreme nail shapes, and it has an asymmetrical angular appearance. It has two sides on the surface and a single triangular lateral, all of which are intersected by perfectly sharp angles. It is important that the final shape is asymmetrical and the triangular side is found only on one of the two sides of the nail. At first, I will prepare properly the natural nail and clean very well all the dust and degrease all the surface. Then I will apply base gel and cure it completely in the UV lamp. For our extreme vector shape, it is necessary that the form to have a middle angle and two more angles diagonally on the other sides. To achieve this, I must first of all fit the form on the model's nails to see exactly where the form intersects with the creased points. There I will have the edges that I have to draw and where I will form the angles. This happens on the second line of the side whiskers of the nail form. Basically, to guide me, we will a ruler, but in our case, I will use a tip and I draw two diagonals to the top. At first step, I will have to find the tip of my template and tighten it through following the middle axis to create the first angle on the middle of my vector shape. In step 2 and 3, I have to create two diagonals as I draw them. Look, this is my surface. Then I will prepare the form and fit under my model's fingernail. The tip of the form must be extremely sharp and its sides must be straight. For an extreme nail, I need the form to come fixed it in the following of natural nail, not raise it higher, not bend lower, but exactly in the following of the natural nail. The form stays in position and I make the measurements to know exactly where the intersection between cover and fringe will be. Today I will work with a soft acrylic gel material and I will use an acrylic brush. I will make the extension of the nail bed in 3 thin layers and I will try to create its shapes already from the brush to avoid the time lost to file it. Plus, for the competition, it is not allowed that you file the smile line. You have to create it from the brush. This layer has to be like an extension, very thin and as uniform as possible. Don't be afraid to lose time to blend it and work it very well your extension of nail bed, because the control of the product is the secret for a perfect smile line. After you finish to work your first layer, cure it a few seconds in lamp and prepare it for the second one. I place the second ball of material in the middle of the natural nail, then gently press until I reach with the material and the tip of the nail bed that I created in first layer. I have to be careful that my movements are thin, are short, and the pressure is equal in both sides. Then my movements become a little bit longer, but still with gentle pressure in every sides and all around the surface of the second layer of material. After I finish to work very well my smile line and shape it perfectly, I will cure it again a few seconds in the UV lamp. I place the third ball of material in the apex of the natural nail, then gently press it to the cuticle area. The next step is to blend everything with the first 2 layers of material that I already dried. Like this, I gave height to the nail bed, but at the same time the loss of material in the cuticle area is very smooth. I cure it again a few seconds in the UV lamp, then pinch it. I will start now to create the French extension with the white polyacrylic gel, and I will first peel the part near the nail bed and only then I will advance towards the rest of the nail. I am working with small balls of material every time, and I am guided by the angles on the surface of my form. I blend the material very well where it intersects with a surface already created. For now, I only create the top of my nail, and I will make the triangular lateral on the side after this. After I cure it a few seconds, I work the lateral side too. I combine the transition between the two surfaces and the angle formed between them. If I am satisfied with the result, I cure it a few seconds, I pinch it, then I cure it again completely. At the end, I clear the inhibition layer carefully to not contaminate with product the client. Then I will prepare myself for the filing step. After I will finish the filing process, I clean the dust and add the grease very well the entire nail. Then I apply a very generous layer of top coat. I spread the top coat very well until my entire surface is uniform and very smooth. I turn the hand of my model upside down and then I clean the excess of top coat from the edges. I made the last check on my surface and then I cure it completely. I high shine the entire nail with a single small drop of cuticle oil. This is the final look of my extreme nail shape called Vetor. I really hope that you like it, that this inspire you and give you the courage to work something so special for the competition. At the end, I would like to point out that my entire collection of extreme nail shapes is protected by intellectual property copyright law. So, of course, yes, you can reproduce this extreme nail. I encourage you to do so. You should not be afraid, only that they cannot be disclosed to the general public or use it in different projects except with my consent. Please do not be afraid and write me in private and ask for my consent or to discuss the condition under which we can collaborate in this way. All that being said, I thank you that you are watching my video until the end. I really hope that you enjoy it and we will see you soon on the next one. Bye bye!